bata ng kape.
Marshall with 10 now as he starts tonight for the first time this year. And they're just going to go for the one shot, not the quick one. I am wrong. Bogdanovich for three. And there has been a loose ball foul called, so the basket will count.
Kape ikaw?
And
Kape ka?
as they were positioning
Kape
for
na.
the rebound, Cisse was fouled.
Sige na, kape ka na. Halo, oy, naningkamot ang bata o
Sequence
kape.
with the foul.
Balag kape lang siya, mabuhay na daw siya.
Guard was pulling.
Diba?
That's 5 team fouls on the Clippers this quarter. So a 3 made by Bogdanovich.
Sarap kape.
But he had already released the shot by
Ay.
the time the foul occurred. So the basket counts.
Sarap.
Cisse will shoot 2 free throws.
Lamiyay. Sarap.
Five of 12 on free throws this year for Cisse. With 5 collegiate seasons. Two at Memphis, 2 at Oklahoma State, and 1 at Ole Miss. He was only a 44% free throw shooter in college.
Hi guys, good evening. Hindi masama habang bata pa turuan sa trabaho, turuan sa gawaing bahay, para matuto at hindi magiging tamad. Para paglaki nila, hindi sila tamad at marunong magsumikap sa sarili nila. Ayan. Yan, 6 years old pa yung anak ko na yan guys. Pero marunong na maghugas. O, diba? Ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Good evening, and thank you for watching. God bless, God bless. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Anong hirap tayo'y